Hi everyone, I'm Ali Sheikh. I'm the founder and managing partner of Sheikh Law. Today we'll be discussing Certificate of Independent Legal Advice, also known as ILA. So what is an ILA? Why and when do you need it? And what is the job and a role of your lawyer? ILA, or a Certificate of Independent Legal Advice, is basically an advice received by each individual negotiating and finalizing the terms of an agreement that they are entering into. It could be a family agreement, it could be a formal agreement. One lawyer cannot and should not represent all the parties to the agreement, even though all the parties would want one lawyer to represent everyone. I'll give you an example. If you and your friend have decided to enter into an agreement to buy a business, you have settled the basic terms and conditions. Ideally, you should take the copy of that agreement or draft to your lawyer, and your friend should take the same terms and conditions to his or her lawyer to verify the fairness, authenticity, and applicable laws. If it's a family matter or you've been involved in mediation, a mediator draws up the agreement, you should take the copy of that agreement to a separate lawyer, and the other party should take the copy of that agreement to a separate lawyer to obtain advice. Another example could be where one party went to a lawyer and that lawyer drafted that agreement. The other party should go to a separate lawyer to obtain independent legal advice. The role of a lawyer is to make sure that the agreement is accurate in terms of the facts. It reflects what the intention of the parties are. It reflects that what the law or applicable legislation is. The agreement, you were not forced, or neither party were forced to sign that agreement. It is fair. If there are any legal obligations that you would be subjected to today or 10 years from today, the lawyer's responsibility is to identify those obligations and inform you about it. If you do not go to a lawyer, you're waiving your right. Courts do not like when parties don't go to lawyers. And it is in your best interest to have both parties go. Let's suppose your lawyer drafted that agreement. The other party says, I'm waiving my right to go to a lawyer. You're still putting yourself at risk. Reason being, the other party can turn around and say, I did not understand the terms and conditions of this agreement. So in the best interest for yourself, even though you have a lawyer, you should encourage the other party that they should obtain separate independent legal advice to make sure that the agreement is accurate in accordance with law, and today, tomorrow, or 10 years from now, both of you are protected. I hope this information was helpful. If you like the information, please don't forget to like and subscribe the button. Thank you and have a good day.